Kaya, what are you doing? Kaya Marie, what are you doing? Can I see the hair on top of your head? No, Kaya, I want to see the hair on your head. Kaya, do you love your mommy? Do you love mama? Yeah? Yeah? Do you love Dada? How come Dad gets a louder scream and I just get, Huh, Kaya? Do you love your daddy more than mommy? I love you, baby girl.